I'm London Westy.
I'm Lyric Glass.
And this is Lake Oyama, BC. And this is Cache Canada. We made landfall, but we're having trouble with our offline maps navigation, so bear with us as we go to look for the toilet seat. That's right. Will it be up or down? Who knows?
There's a sensitive material coming up, so just be prepared. We found the toilet seat. We don't want to open it up and see what's inside. That is not the cache. Lovely. This one's Allie made me do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Allie made me do it. We know when, Allie. And sorry about the last one. It was kind of poopy, but you know, that's the way it goes.
It's like sitting there.
I didn't hardly get out of the boat and found it already. Holy cow. What the? Well, that was easy. Well, there you go. This island has a lot of forget-me-nots, just covering it as a coating. It looks really cool. Very nice. I think I'll take a picture. Take a picture. We're headed over there. We're close. We are close.
What do you think?
Behind there?
That's what I thought. But,
That's what you thought?
What have we got? 2 meters.
1.3. Behind the stump. There, you got her.
Finally.
That took a while.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ooh.
What do we got?
An ancient logbook?
Oh, in good shape. Pen?
Might as well. Alright, what is it again? R.
Oh, put our names. All our names.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we were looking through all of this mess. Started over here, over there. And we're concentrating on that stump there. It turns out just that stump there. It's a little bit further in than the GPS says. But we got it.
We hung it right when we should have hung it left.
Stopping for a little snack. Got to keep the energy up while you're geocaching. And make sure you drink lots of water. I like this kind of adventure. Using kayaks and canoes and getting out on the water to find caches on islands. You get a higher terrain rating, 5 or 4.5, depending on the cache owner. But it's really nice to get out something a little different rather than just roadsides or big hikes. In this case, we're using the arms a lot more with the kayak, battling the wind. It's quite windy today, but having a great time, and we hope you're enjoying coming along with us on this geocaching adventure.
watch the world from the place beneath the willow, the willow. So many years, too many tears on your pillow, on your pillow.
Look at that cat.
Easy find.
Easy find on Otto Island.
And there's a bat house above your head.
Yeah, that was the hit. We kind of honed in on that, and now we're signing the law.
Don't you wait until the morning light, the morning light. Far away until you're out of sight, you're out of sight. Don't you wait until the morning light, the morning light. Far away until you're out of sight, you're out of sight.
Yep. There's a very small fir tree.
Well, the name of the cache is Dive Right In, and he did. Well, how was it?
It's great.
Wonderful.
The lake is just the right temperature. I love it.
And that's a wrap for Oyama Lake.
Thanks for joining us, along with Read My Lips. Keep watching, there's more caches to be found.
Where will geocaching take you? Hey, there's 20 cents over here. 20 cents. It's 20 cents. Look at that. 20 cents. That's 20 cents. 20 cents. I'm rich.